In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to browse Substack. Substack is an incredible platform where you can discover a myriad of newsletters and writings from a variety of authors, covering just about every topic imaginable. If you're feeling overwhelmed with where to start, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First things first, let's head over to your Substack homepage. If you're not already there, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Substack website. Once you're there, sign into your account if you haven't done so yet. Your homepage is the perfect starting point because it's customized with the content from the writers and publications you're already subscribed to. Next, let's explore what Substack has to offer beyond your current subscriptions. In the top right corner of the page, you'll see your account icon. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select Explore. This section is your gateway to discovering new content that you haven't yet delved into. As you browse through the Explore page, you'll find a collection of recommended posts and publications. These recommendations are tailored based on popular and trending topics, so take your time scrolling through them. You might discover some intriguing reads you never would have found otherwise. To get more refined results, you can filter these recommendations by category. You'll see there are several options to choose from, such as staff picks, culture, technology, and many others. Select the categories that interest you the most and let Substack present you with even more personalized suggestions. On the right hand side of this Explore page, you'll notice featured content. This section highlights some of the most popular and influential pieces from across the platform. It's definitely worth checking out if you're looking for quality reads or want to see what's generating buzz among readers. If you have something specific in mind, make good use of the search bar at the top of the page. Simply type in the names of writers, titles of publications, or topics you're interested in. This feature is incredibly handy when you're trying to pinpoint particular content or explore new Substacks and writers who match your interests. Once you've found writers who captivate you, be sure to follow them. This way their new posts will appear in your home feed, keeping you updated on their latest works. Following your favourite authors is a great way to build a personalised reading list of content you're eager to keep up with. Lastly, don't forget to interact with the writers' posts and join conversations. Engaging with the community by leaving comments or starting discussions not only enriches your experience, but also allows you to connect with other like-minded readers and the writers themselves. It's this interaction that makes the Substack community vibrant and ever-growing. And that's it, you now have the tools you need to navigate and explore Substack like a pro. I hope you enjoy the journey of discovering new writers and enriching your reading experience. Happy browsing.